Hi, this is Prasenjit from GCS. Today I am going to show the demo of conversion of XML to Excel file using data processor transformation. So basically in my last video I have shared the conversion of Excel to XML file, and we have seen a lot of users requesting for XML to Excel. So let us start with that. Okay, so I have launched the developer client and I have my XML file ready uh, to be converted into Excel file. So let us start here. I'm just going to create a blank data processor first. And then I'll go to objects and create a new script here. Let us take it as parser. I'm not changing any names there. Okay, so basically I have to choose a schema. Here the user can use their own XML schema, XSD, or if you have the XML, you can use the same XML to create the schema. So I don't have any XSD right now. I will use my input XML only because I am expecting the same file to be used in future also. That means whatever XML file will be coming for the data processor, the structure will be same. So let me just create it from using that XML file. So my parent element is workbook. I will show what is the content of my XML. Let me just create it. Next, I will give the same example source as I am only dealing with one XML file here. So the same XML file is used to create a schema to set as an example source, and my schema is script is getting ready there. Okay. Meanwhile, the script is getting saved in developer client. Let me just show the XML file which I am going to use, convert it to Excel. Okay, so here is the XML file. I have a simple first name, last name, employee ID, and I'm going to show the particular XML file having two Excel sheet information. If you see that sheet name equal to sheet 1, and I have one more sheet name equal to sheet 2. Both the sheet has different same set of data basically. Just to simplify the demo, I have copied, only I changed the sheet name here. Otherwise, this particular segment is having copied two times, and after that I have given some styles and all for the XML. Okay, so I can understand that user every time cannot have the XML file with ready-made things like workbook, sheet, column, row, cell, everything. Definitely you can use your own script to add the details here, and you can check in our Informatica forum as well how to add details which will make your XML for ready to convert into Excel. Because if I have a simple XML file which is having only employee ID, first name, last name element, it will not be directly converted, right? So we have to give this sheet name, column, row, cell, just to make sure that data processor is ready to take this XML and convert it to Excel. Okay, let's go to developer client now. Okay, so the parser is ready. I just have to add the preprocessors and make it ready to process it. So first of all, example source is selected. I need to choose the preprocessor here. So let me choose XML to XLSX. And it's a very simple demo where I will simply convert all the data directly to Excel file. It is completely based on the user and the requirement how to achieve it. As I just told that you may have a simple XML file where only elements will be first name, last name. There won't be any style, column, sheet name, row, cell, data, nothing will be there, alright? So in that case, the user can write their own script to add this header, extra elements and everything before converting into Excel. So as my XML is ready with all the data, all the elements, which is ready to convert it into Excel, I will simply add all the things in a variable first. Let me take a variable here and I will choose the data folder as the new temporary variable I have selected right now. And there will be a simple write value and I will write this variable value not to the result file because result file again it will be a XML file, right? So I have to choose the output file and I will hard code the name here. As I am testing it in my local machine, I will give the path for my local machine. So whenever this will be, or going into the production, you need to take care. You need to change this path accordingly. So demo.xlss. Okay, so I believe my parser is ready. Let me save and execute it. Okay, so we have started the run and it is completed. Let me show the folder. Okay, so I'll try to open this demo.xlss now. And I have got this error. Excel file cannot open. Some extension issue was there. So let us try to quickly understand why this happened. So basically, whenever we are writing any output file or result file, it is actually expecting that we are writing it with as per the XML standard. So here we have to remove that no tag. I mean, not remove. We have to select that no tag. That means when the XML file will be generated, it will be generated without any tags. That will actually help directly write in XLX file, and the file will be opened correctly in the Windows machine. So let us save again and try once. Okay, so the run got successful. Let me refresh it. Let me try to open it again. And yeah, it has opened now. So it has got two sheets. First sheet I have mentioned this employee names and all. Uh, just for the style and all, it came in different colors. The data is same, and sheet 1, sheet name, whatever names I have mentioned, these are all same names. Okay. Okay. So guys, I think you will be now able to start to develop the parser DT script in order to convert XML to Excel. There are many preprocessors, I mean couple of preprocessors for that. Basically XML to Excel is one and XML to XLSX is one. So XLSX I used because I have to create XLSX file. If you want to create XLS file, you have to probably use that XML to Excel. I didn't test it, you can test it once. But there is a one way to achieve it. In my case, my XML file was actually ready to be converted. As I mentioned already in the first part of this video, you have to work on either on the XML file or from the DT script side to add these details. So let me just switch back the screen once again. Yes, that's what. Actually, that column, row, cell, these are all Excel specific elements, right? So either you can add these using the script, or you can have the XML ready to be converted like this. I guess this was helpful. We would love to hear from you. You can share your feedback or comment on the video, or if you need any kind of development suggestion for demo purpose. Just let us know. Thank you.